Alright guys, I built a new ramp out of wood this time. It's a lot wider. This one's about 36 inches wide, about 2 feet tall. Should be a lot easier to aim at, trying to get some speed. So let's take a look. Made it try to keep it light so it wouldn't be hard to move around either. So we'll set it up here and start off slow and see how we do. So as you guys are going to see here, this is my first attempt at trying to backflip. Took a little bit of a learning curve. I lost a lot of traction on the ramp, and I also was running 4S. So a couple improvements there, running 6S and maybe something to the ramp to make it a little more grippy would help. But for as many times as I came crashing down that front suspension, nothing bent, nothing broke. It's definitely Arrma strong. Super impressed. But a couple things I found after we got back to the house, but really nothing compared to what it could have been. So a couple improvements to make, definitely a couple upgrades coming. We'll get it back together though and keep trying. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, thanks for watching.